Meaning of esthete.
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 Esthete. The term esthete refers to a person who has a particular sensitivity and appreciation for beauty, art, and culture. An esthete is someone who finds pleasure in the aesthetic qualities of their surroundings and may have a refined sense of taste. They often value creativity and originality, and may have an interest in movements such as Art Nouveau or Decadentism. Being an esthete can be seen as a way of life, focusing on cultivating one's personal aesthetic and surrounding oneself with beauty and refinement.